Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decorations. I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so when I post my new video you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the white color table and all, and the plants, the mirror and all, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, very beautiful lights. You can see very good decoration. The floor wooden theme. This one also silver color wall and all, and the lamp and all, small lamp, beautiful small bulbs, very beautiful. So you can see the small bulb, the bed, the floor, the table, and the small plant, the candle and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the small plants, the bulbs, the floor, the table and all, very beautiful, good decoration. This one also the small bulb. You can see the bed, very beautiful, the cotton and all, very beautiful cotton, very good design. This one also very good decoration. You can see the up lamp, you can see the small lights, you can see the small plant also for decoration, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the bed and the wall and all, very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the small plants and all, and the photo frames, very beautiful. The bed, green color bed. This one also the green color bed, and the cute cats. You can see the beautiful and cute cat. You can see very beautiful cat. This one also very beautiful. You can see the table where you can study or teach or play games, and the bed also you can see very beautiful bed, good decoration. This one also you can see the mirror, zigzag shape mirror, and the backside the light also very beautiful mirror. This one also you can see the clock, and down you can see the glasses and all, and the laptop, the books and all, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the small bulbs and all, and the floor and the cotton and all, very beautiful, very good, looking very good. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the lamp and the red color theme and all, very beautiful, very good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the red color bed and the wall and the floor, the mat and all, very beautiful, good decoration, very beautiful decoration. This one also you can see very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.